Welcome to WaftEngine Setup. We are going to cover all these steps to set up WaftEngine. This is WaftEngine official website. By clicking Start button you can go to WaftEngine GitHub repo. There is reference documentation for setup. To clone GitHub repo just copy HTTPS URL. Open git bash on desired folder location. Then type command to clone repo. This will download code from GitHub server. After clone completion, open that folder in VS Code, or preferred editor to view codes. Open terminal on VS Code and go to client folder, then run npm install command. Similarly, go to server folder and run npm install command. This will take some time. Go to database folder and run mongo restore command to load default data of WaftEngine. Then start configuration of application on client and server folder. To configure server you have to create .env file and write Mongo URI. In client folder again you need to create .env file with Vite API base URL. We are ready to start application. To run client just type command npm run start inside client folder command. Similarly, to run server type npm run start inside server folder. This will start client and server application and you are ready to open application on browser.